Introducing the all-new joystick cover by WHILL, your trusted travel companion. Designed specifically for the WHILL Model F and Model C2, this innovative accessory provides extra protection when transporting your WHILL power chair. Its durable material and snug fit ensure your joystick remains safe and intact throughout the journey. It securely attaches to the armrest with one click. And remains in place when the Model F is folded. When you arrive at your destination, simply remove the joystick cover by firmly pressing the prongs on the buckle. And your WHILL power chair is ready to take you on your next adventure. Keep your WHILL Model F and Model C2 joystick protected with a joystick cover, available for purchase separately. WHILL, empowering mobility.